In real estate, you can just instantly give yourself 100% raise by doubling what you're supposed to do. So if you know that for every 50 calls, you may get 2 conversations and then maybe 1 appointment, and then 1 appointment is going to lead you, or let's say 10 appointments is going to lead you into an offer, then if you wanted to give yourself a raise, double the income that you're getting, all you have to do is do double the work or get better at your scripting, get better at your conversations. And there is no other career that I know of that can give you that substantial raise in your income and in your growth at the same time. It sounds very simple, but the hardest part of it is actually, doing it with showing up. And that's why, we have these daily huddles, because people that do show up to the daily huddles, this is the hardest part of the day. Hey, at least you showed up, right? The next hardest part is like actually doing what you're supposed to do right after that. Now, being consistent is something that a lot of people struggle with, and I know things get in the way. If you're able to master that, even if you have other jobs, if you block time 1 or 2 hours a day, you do it consistently, you will win every single day. That's going to build your confidence.